So this audio was completely generated using AI. And so was this one. So it was generated by a tool called Stable Audio, which is Stability's AI first product for music and sound effect generation. You can now create non-copyright original music purely using AI. And you can, as you heard it, it's very, very realistic too. So in order to use it, just go to Stability AI/Stable Audio and click on Try Stable Audio. Once you click on Try Stable Audio, you will be redirected to stableaudio.com, where you will have to sign up for using the product. Sign up journey is very straightforward. You can use your Google account to sign up. As you land on the screen itself, you have 20 free generations every month. So you can generate 20 tracks without actually starting to pay for the product. And note that these are all copyright free generations purely done via AI. And based on some of the samples you saw, they sound insane. Now let me just walk you through how it works, right? So there is an option to insert prompt here, and then there is an option for prompt library. If you don't have ideas in mind and you just want to choose many of these, that's also fine. So let's say we choose drum solo, and then there are options to choose the audio Sparks model. You can either choose this one or this one. This we need to upgrade to access the better one. I'm assuming this is the better one. Then the generation itself can range from, I think, 0 to 45 seconds. So we can generate, say, 20-second audio or 45-second audio and so on and so forth. You can also have things like seeds, steps, prompt strength. So steps are basically the amount of iterations you want that specific file to go through, right? So when you're generating images, let's take an example of an image. If you're generating images, it goes through, say, 50 steps before it shows you the final image generation, right? You can customize it to have 100 steps, in which case the image quality will be better. You can customize it to have 10 steps, in which case the image quality will be worse than, say, the 50-step one. So more steps mean more quality, but it also means more consumption of GPU. Seed is basically, if you like a generation, let's say this one, each generation has a unique seed. If you want to generate similar generation, then you can fill in the seed as well. And then I don't know what prompt strength is, but it basically should mean how much aligned your final generation should be with the prompt. So if you want 80% to be prompt strength, 20% will be random factor, 50-50 will mean that 50% will be prompt strength and 50% will be random. Once you have these settings here, there is also a guide if you want. Click on generate. It takes a couple of seconds and it should be able to generate. You can see the CFG scale must be between 0 to 25, and I'm assuming this is the CFG scale. So if I remove it, this should be default by less than 25. So you can see the generation has started. Once the generation is done, you should be able to see it here. You have an option to download and share it. So go ahead and try this out as well. There are a bunch of options that you can explore. I am trying to generate a completely AI generated song by using 11 Labs, Stable Audio and ChatGPT. But that's a project that is work in progress. For now, if you're interested, just go to Stable Audio, play around by generating music. You can generate background music for your videos as well. But it's really, really interesting. And like I said, here's the seed option, like I mentioned before. So if you want similar generations, you can choose to generate or samples that are aligned with the seed. And this is the model that we use. And let's play this now. Sounds awesome. So I personally love it, and I love the direction where Stable Audio is going. Now the only thing missing here is to kind of add like a rock music in order to kind of go with the drum solo, and you have a completely AI generated music. And that's something I've been trying, and I'll keep you guys posted on it.